Hello student, good afternoon. Today I will start the general characters and classification of Arthropoda. The general characters of the phylum Arthropoda and classify the phylum up to the classes with their distinguishing characters and examples. The Arthropoda is the largest phylum in the animal kingdom. General characters of the Arthropoda. They are bilaterally symmetrical. The body is segmented and limited. The body is divided into three regions: head, thorax and abdomen. In some cases, these regions are fused together. Each segment generally bears a pair of jointed appendages. The body is covered by chitin and it is molted regularly. The mouth is ventral and is surrounded by the various mouth parts such as mandible, maxillae, etc., which are modified according to their feeding habits. The body cavity is hemocele, filled with colorless blood. The heart is tubular and dorsal in position, with a series of paired openings called the ostia. The blood is colorless. The vascular system is of open type and there are no closed blood vessels. The nervous system consists of a nerve ring followed by a double ventral nerve cord, which is ganglionated in all or in some same segments. One or two pair of long, many jointed antennae are present, serving as the fillers. The compound eyes and simple eyes are generally present. Appendages are provided with the sensory ears. The respiration is carried on by spacious organs such as the gills, tracheal book, lungs, etc. The excretion is performed by Malpighian tubules or green glands or nephridia as in some primitive forms. The muscles are striated. The sexes are usually separate. That is the bisexual type. Male and female are often dissimilar. Male and female animal are not similar. That is the dissimilar. Mostly oviparous development is indirect or direct. Metamorphosis, if present, may be incomplete or complete. The phylum Arthropoda is characterized by the total absence of cilia from all the body parts. The phylum Arthropoda is divided into 5 classes. Class number 1, Crustacea. The Crustacea are mainly aquatic arthropods, breathing by special respiratory structures called the gills or by the entire body surface. The anterior appendages become modified to serve as the mouth parts. Example: prawn, cyclops, Saculina, Squilla, crabs, and lipas. Characteristic of crustacea. Most of crustaceans live in the sea water, although several membranes are able to live in the fresh water and in moist places on land. Many are free living forms, while a few crustaceans leads parasitic life and undergoes a great modifications. The first 5 segments are fused to form the head, which may unite with the thoracic segments forming a cephalothorax. The head bears 2 pairs of antennae. Head bears the 2 pairs of antennae. A pair of mandibles, 2 pairs of maxillae, and a pair of compound eyes, which are sometimes elevated on long stalk. In addition, the head may have median eye, which frequently disappears. In the adult, the appendages are usually of biramous type. Excretion takes place by green glands or maxillary glands. Sexes are separate and the reproductive openings are paired. The female exhibits parental care and carry the eggs for some time. The development is usually indirect, including a series of larval stages. Class Insecta. The insects are 6-legged arthropods with tracheal for respiration, wings for flying, and Malpighian tubules for excretion. Characteristics of the insects. The insects are small invertebrate animals having 3 distinct divisions in the body: head, thorax, and abdomen. A majority of insects are terrestrial, but several of them spend their larval lives in water. Insects are characterized by the presence of 6 jointed legs. They have only 1 pair of antennae. The compound eyes are sessile. There are 3 pairs of mouth parts. The thorax is 3 segmented and bears 3 pairs of legs ventrally and may have one or 2 pairs of wings dorsally. Some insects are wingless. Abdomen has 11 or fewer segments without appendages. The body cavity is a blood space known as the hemocoel. The blood is colorless and has no respiratory pigment or function. Respiration by fine air tubes known as tracheae. Aquatic forms respire by attached tracheal gills or the blood gills. Excretion is by two many fine Malpighian tubules opening into the hind gut. Sexes are separate and fertilization is internal inside the female. The reproductive opening is single at the posterior end of the body. Development is direct or indirect and the metamorphosis is complete or incomplete. During the metamorphosis, the exoskeleton is molted several times. Class third, Arachnida. This class is characterized by the absence of antenna and mandibles and by presence of 4 pairs of walking legs. The body consists of cephalothorax and abdomen. Abdomen may be segmented or unsegmented. The cephalothorax consists of 6 pairs of appendages, chelicerae, pedipalpi, and the 4 pairs of walking legs. All the appendages are uniramous. The chelicera and pedipalpi are the mouth parts used to seize and hold the prey. Terrestrial animals breathing by book lungs. Excretion by pair, Malpighian tubules and coxal glands. Eye are usually simple. Sexes are separate. Sex opening in single and lies on the anterior part of the abdomen. Mostly oviparous, some like the scorpion are viviparous. Development is direct, chiefly predaceous animals sucking the juices of other animals, example scorpion, spider, kings. Okay, thank you.